Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up USDC card spends with OnJuno card. If you don't have an OnJuno account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get $50 bonus after setting up a direct deposit of $250 or more. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Card. On this page, you will see a section for card spends with USDC. Beside it, you will see a toggle switch. Toggle to enable. Setting up USDC card spends will allow you to spend on your favorite brands with USDC. There's also no sell charges, and you could earn 10% cashback on your selected brands. To proceed, click on the button that says Set up USDC card spends. Then it will ask you if you want your card spends to be powered by USDC. If you agree, click on Switch to USDC. And now you can spend with USDC. Just fund your USDC wallet to proceed. That's how you set up USDC card spends with OnJuno card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.